In this video, I will show you how to make an Instagram account private. Follow the step below to set your Instagram account to private using your Android device. First step is open your Instagram app. Then tap your profile icon at the bottom right. From the top right, tap the hamburger icon is the three vertical lines. Then select settings from the pop-up is the top option, and then tap privacy is the third option. At the top of the privacy page, tap on a private account, switch to enable it. To switch will turn blur. This. Now in the confirmation pop-up window, tap switch to private. Your Instagram profile is now private.
There is also a problem with this video, so ask about these comments any problem related to social media and internet. Let them know in the comments bar so that a video can be made on it. Please like this video and subscribe our channel and press icon for any updates and notifications. Thanks for watching.